Let me show you why I'll never have to leave Windows 10. Here we have my HP ProBook 450 G6. It is Windows 11 compatible, but that need not be the case with your computer. What we're doing here we can do on just about any Windows computer as long as there are two solid-state drives. So here I opened up, by the way, using the classic shell. It's a Windows 7 interface. I really haven't left Windows 7, as you see. On the system, we have here the C drive, which is the Windows 10 Pro, the D, which is the Windows 11 Pro clone, a twin of the Windows 10. The E disk here, the E partition, is simply a third partition for storing data and or syncing information, as you'll see. And we even have a small flash drive holding Linux that we can use also if we have a reason to. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's restart the system. So this machine, as I mentioned, has two solid-state drives, a 500 SATA drive and a M.2 solid-state drive that is split in two, one to hold the twin and one to hold the extra data partition. And we're coming up to our dual boot screen for Windows. We're going to choose Windows 11 because it will automatically go to Windows 10 if I don't. And here we are coming up on Windows 11, which again is a twin of this 10, except of course it's in 11 format. It is totally 11 is totally up to date, although that's not the case with my Windows 10. I haven't updated in the 3 years I've had it. But the 11 is updated and all the updates have been turned off. Here we have SyncToy coming up automatically, and it's simply grabbing the data from Windows 10. If there are any changes, any additional files, it's bringing them over. And that's about the story. I hope to talk to you again soon, and have a great day.